Hi dear friends, today we are going to discuss about herbarium technique. What is meant by the word herbarium technique? It's a important technique where leaves can be preserved in between the paper sheets and after certain duration can be opened and we are going to see its skeletal structure. Such a technique where we are going to see its internal structure which represents about midrib and winglets. Such phenomena is known as herbarium technique. So right now you are observing healthy leaf. So which is completely green in color. And just I am going to take this leaf, mango leaf, and I am going to preserve in between the papers for certain duration. After certain duration and leaves becomes dry and it turns as a herbarium sheet also. I mean to say it's a kind of structure which represents about skeletal structure. After 15 days, just you are going to see same leaf in this structure. Just you can check. And it is completely transparent in nature. Here you are observing midrib. Here you are observing winglets. And this entire structure, earlier it was green in color. Now green color is not there. And such a phenomena where you are going to preserve and see its skeletal structure is known as herbarium technique. This technique is very essential to study the structure of a leaf. Thank you very much.